Hello, so today we are going to be working on problems 1 through 3. For this first one, again, we are trying to find sine of this angle right here. Sine is always going to be opposite over hypotenuse. We don't have a hypotenuse for this, so that means that we need to solve it, or solve for the hypotenuse. So we'll have the 8 squared plus the 15 squared equals c squared. The 8 squared plus the 15 squared is going to equal 289. We're going to take the square root of both sides, and that's going to be 17. So now we can say that that sine of that angle is going to be 15 over 17. For our second one, we're trying to find the cosine of this angle. That means that we're going to look at the adjacent side, which we don't have, and the hypotenuse. So we need to first solve for that adjacent side. So we'll say the 12 root 5 squared minus 24 squared equals a squared. The 12 root 5 squared minus the 24 squared is going to be 144. So when we take the square root of both sides, a is going to equal 12. Now we need to find this, so we'll say the adjacent angle, which is 12, over the hypotenuse, which is 12 root 5. When we simplify that, because we have a 12 at the top and bottom, we'll have 1 over root 5. And for problem 3, we are first going to start out by drawing a triangle. We said that C is our hypotenuse, B is going to be one of our lengths, and we are looking for angle A. So if we do the cosine of A, we're going to look at this adjacent side over the hypotenuse, and we'll have cos of A equals 8 over 17. That is tonight's homework. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.